around minimum 5 questions.
Okay, both of you are going to have a conversation. It's tight conversation normally, like daily basis. You are speaking about each other, about your daily life and your future plannings, and then you can put up these topics, these questions in your conversation. Get it? Especially the class I taught you today.
You are learning something. Are you? Aren't you?
Sorry? Are you asking question?
Yes, you are learning something in today's bench. Aren't you?
Yes, I learned something new. How to reply? In
Yes,
positive statement?
actually the statements just only true and false. Yes or not. And you can
Okay.
yes and not, and you can use which is I ask you, you can cover the sentence like yes, I learned something and I'm learning something, but the time would be the same in this when am I asking to you like I use are, so you will have to use am, because I'm asking in present continuous in this time. So like,
Okay.
and the statement would be in true and false, either false or true. That's it.
Just hold on for a second. We use either in American English. We use either in British English. So for now, you're learning American English. You should focus on how you pronounce the word either. Either are, neither nor. They are used in American English, the pronunciation. But when you pronounce the same in British English, it is either are or neither nor. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it. Sir, can we use WH family in this or not?
It's common.
It's common.
Okay, you are running a business, aren't you?
I'm running a business.
Okay.